Greetings, internet surfers. It's the amazing Flec and Lucy the cat for yet another Slackoff Sunday. Come on up, Lucy. Come on, they want to see you. You're famous. Oh, there you are. Lucy the cat, ladies and gentlemen. Lucy the cat. I woke up today feeling a lot better than the previous couple days with a little bit of congestion, sore throat and everything. Feeling a lot better. However, after staying up pretty late last night editing my How to Contact Juggle instructional video, that one went a little bit long, but I'm glad that I finally got it done. I woke up and looked outside and I noticed quite a lot of snow coming down pretty hard. I had intentions to go visit a friend, but I just couldn't bring myself to risk driving out in this weather, especially when I have a 16-hour shift tomorrow morning. I don't want to risk not being able to get there to do my job. So I opted just to staying in at home and hitting up the Slack line outside and taking the opportunity to use my brand new GoPRO Hero7 while on the line. So I managed to learn how to speed up and slow down footage today with the SHOTCUT program I'm using. I tried to speed ahead the parts where I'm walking on the line and there's not much action, and then I slowed it down briefly for when I have something to say while in line. I was also able to finally put to use some music by the wonderful and talented Jesse Fox, a good friend of mine who's a very, very talented musician, contact juggler, slackline artist, and just a virtuoso. Everything this guy wants to be good at, he's amazing at. If you're watching this, Jesse, hey buddy, thank you very much for the music. We'll be putting that on very soon. So here, let's go head outside to the yard and see what I was doing earlier today. Perfect day to slackline. Here we go. Test run. We have pristine snow. Nothing on it just yet. Let's see if I can manage this. One hand for stabilization, one for a camera. Here we go. It's a little slippery. Made it. All right. Wow. I had my doubts a couple times. Let's see if we can make it back now. Forward angle here this time. Trying to keep the line stable, myself stable, and the camera stable at the same time. It's quite the juggling act here. It's snowing too. I don't know if you can see. Let's make this a little more interesting. Okay, a little too interesting. Want to make it at least across without damaging this pristine snow on the ground. And snow boots too. Almost there. Made it. Oh, this is a lot of fun. Whoa. Hope this video turns out good. This is my first time using the GoPro Hero7. Out here in the winter snow. Little mini blizzard going on. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off now and switch over to a little tripod.
that was fun.
That was a lot of fun for me outside earlier today. I'm glad you spent some time to watch it. Thank you. Well, I was told by some folks I need to keep my videos a little bit more short and concise, and I'm already up over probably 8 minutes at this point, so I guess this is where we're calling it. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thanks for liking and subscribing, sharing, and commenting on all my videos. And from Lucy the Cat and the amazing Flec here, I'd like to remind you all to keep safe, be well, stay humble, and peace.